You are welcome to digitizings.com, the channel dedicated to turning your creative visions into perfectly digitized realities. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit or debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support@digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Now let's explore something new and grow knowledge about. Top 8 free embroidery software programs for beginners. Embroidery is a fun and creative hobby that many people enjoy. For beginners, finding the right embroidery software can be challenging, especially when you're on a budget. Free embroidery software programs are a great way to start without spending any money. In this article, we will introduce you to 8 free embroidery software programs that are beginner-friendly, along with their features. Let's get started. 1. Stitch Overview. Stitch is a free embroidery software that works as an extension for Inkscape, a popular vector graphics program. It's great for beginners who want to learn embroidery design and editing. Features: supports a variety of embroidery file formats such as PAS, DST, and EXP. Allows you to create and edit embroidery designs easily. Includes stitch simulation so you can preview your design before stitching. Provides basic lettering tools to add text to your designs. Offers tutorials and guides for beginners. Why choose Stitch? Stitch is perfect for those who are already familiar with Inkscape or want to learn both vector design and embroidery. 2. Sophio Overview. Sophio is a simple and easy to use embroidery design software. It's suitable for beginners who want to create their own designs from scratch. Features: offers basic tools for designing and editing embroidery patterns. Includes a wide range of stitch types such as satin, fill, and running stitches. Allows you to import and modify existing designs. Lightweight and works well on most computers. Why choose Sophio? Sophio is great if you want to explore different stitch types and practice creating custom embroidery designs. 3. My Editor. Overview. My Editor is a free embroidery software designed for viewing and editing embroidery files. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners who want to edit pre-made designs. Features: supports many file formats such as PAS, JEF, and EXP. Allows resizing, rotating, and editing designs without losing quality. Includes a stitch player to preview how your design will stitch out. Provides basic color editing to customize your designs. Why choose My Editor? If you're looking for a simple tool to modify existing embroidery designs, My Editor is an excellent choice. 4. EMBBrilliance Express Overview. EMBBrilliance Express is a free version of the popular EMBBrilliance embroidery software. It's focused on lettering and basic design adjustments. Features: allows you to use BX fonts for creating custom text in embroidery designs. Provides basic editing tools like resizing and rotating designs. Supports multiple file formats including PAS and DST. Easy to learn and beginner-friendly interface. Why choose EMBBrilliance Express? It's ideal for beginners who want to add custom text to their designs and make simple edits. 5. Welcome True Sizer Overview. Welcome True Sizer is a free embroidery software for viewing, resizing, and converting embroidery files. It's perfect for beginners who need a reliable file management tool. Features: supports a wide range of file formats including EMB, PS, and DST. Allows resizing and reformatting designs without losing stitch quality. Provides a clean and straightforward interface. Includes basic editing options like color changes and rotation. Why choose Welcome True Sizer? If you need a tool to manage, convert, and resize embroidery files, Welcome True Sizer is a great option. 6. Stitchera Universal, free version. Overview: Stitchera. Universal offers both free and paid versions. The free version is packed with features for beginners who want to explore embroidery design. Features: supports creating and editing embroidery designs. Includes tools for lettering and monogramming. Offers basic stitch simulation to preview designs. Allows importing and exporting popular file formats like PAS and DST. Why choose Stitchera Universal? This software is great for beginners who want a comprehensive tool with plenty of features to learn embroidery design. 7. Hatch Embroidery, free trial. Overview: Hatch Embroidery offers a free trial that provides a taste of its full capabilities. It's a professional-grade software that is beginner-friendly. Features: offers tools for creating, editing, and personalizing embroidery designs. Includes a library of pre-made designs to get you started. Provides stitch simulation to preview designs. Supports various file formats including PS, JF, and DST. User-friendly interface with helpful tutorials and guides. Why choose Hatch Embroidery? The free trial of Hatch Embroidery is ideal for beginners who want to experience advanced embroidery design tools before committing to a purchase. 8. Suart free trial. Overview. Suart is an easy-to-use embroidery digitizing software. While it's a paid program, it offers a free trial version that beginners can use to practice. Features: converts images into embroidery files. Supports various stitch types, including fill, satin, and outline stitches. Allows customization of stitch settings to achieve the desired look. Simple and beginner-friendly interface. Why choose Suart? If you want to experiment with converting images into embroidery designs, Suart's free trial is worth trying. Final thoughts. These 8 free embroidery software programs are excellent for beginners who want to explore embroidery design without spending money. Each software has unique features, so you can choose one based on your needs. Whether you want to create custom designs, edit existing ones, or just practice basic skills, there's something for everyone. Happy stitching! If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust Digitizings.com to deliver accuracy. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.